ChatGPT is able to draft contracts and agreement? Seriously? Watch this video to understand.
So I asked the ChatGPT to draft a rental agreement between a landlord and a tenant for a period of 11 months for a residential property, and within seconds the ChatGPT came up with property description, term clause, rental clause, security deposit clause, use of property clause, repair and maintenance, alteration clauses, pet clause, utility clause, default clause, and governing clause, all within a period of seconds.
Isn't that so cool? AI-driven technology is able to draft a contract within seconds that no lawyer can give you within seconds, right? 100% true, but it is 2021 updated and it is not up to date current and doesn't have the data of today. So always consult a lawyer before you execute a contract. Review it. Even if you're taking the contract from ChatGPT or any other AI technology or anywhere, wherever whatsoever, do review your document before you execute it, because there are some loopholes, and what judges thinks and what the court wants, only lawyers will know. So do consult a lawyer before you get into that contract. Go for a contract review and make sure your document is safe. Use it well, use it wise, and share this video to as many people as possible right now. Follow Lawyer Vishal Subhash. Follow right now for more legal and real estate advice. Thank you.